Okay guys, listen, I've received this nice photo here from friends of ours. Now what we've done is we've attached their emails to this piece of paper, and we are going to roll it up, and we're going to do the message in a bottle thing. And on this piece of paper it says, if found, please notify these people. Will you roll that up, dear? And so anyways, Jeremy and Cass, if you get notified, let us know. See it? Because we are going to, oh, you're folding it up. Okay.
Is that okay?
Yep. So here we go. We're going to put it in, whoops. We're going to put it in this rum bottle, or tequila bottle.
Casamigos.
Inside.
Yay.
There we go. How are they going to get it out?
Someone will get it out.
They'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Okay. Jeremy and Cass. 1, 2, 3.
Bye, Jeremy. Bye, Kat. Yay.
Watch it. Watch it go to Europe or something. Wouldn't that be cool?
Thanks for the picture, guys.